Generally, if you're coming to clinic, we are going to use these glass fire cups. But if you're looking for something to do at home, we also have these silicone cups, which are easy to apply yourself. So I'm going to show you really quickly just how to apply it to the trap and help relieve some tension in there. So you just pinch the cup tight, place it on the skin, and let it go. And you can see it's created a nice little suction there. I like to do this sometimes in between patients in clinic. I just throw it on my trap and I sit there and I let it do its work. And you can leave the cups on for about 10 to 15 minutes and probably pull it off after that. Okay, so these are two really great cups you can use at home, and you can use them on yourself. To apply this one, you just pinch it shut and place it on the skin. And make sure the area is nice and oiled first if you want to slide the cups around. You can really get into the quad there and just let it sit. Or you can move it and slide it down the IT band here. And when you're ready to pull it off, just stick your thumb underneath. Okay, for this style of cup, you can just place it on the skin, press down, and when you let go, it'll create a bit of a suction there. Same thing, you can slide it around, coming down and around the knee. So we can do cupping also on the arm. Really great for carpal tunnel or any kind of wrist or forearm injuries. And this is really easy to do at home as well. Just make sure you have oil on the area always. And you can even bring it back around to the other side here. Okay, so these are facial cups. They've become really popular recently in cosmetic acupuncture. So you can use them to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, to help with lymphatic drainage, and just improve the overall appearance of the skin. So whenever you're doing face cups, you always want to put oil on the face first. And I like to use these two sizes, always using this size underneath the eye. So what you do is you just squeeze the cup tight on the little ball here and place it on the skin and let go. And then always just keep the cup moving and you won't get any marks on the skin. Remember to anchor the skin with your other hand. Taking it up along the jawline, you kind of want to sculpt the face. And then when you're finished doing that, always coming down for that lymphatic drainage. Then using this little cup up above the eyes. You can also use techniques like really fast to disperse any kind of stagnation in the area. Nice.